Hello, dear student. Today we will learn regarding pattern of biodiversity. As earlier we have stated that biodiversity is all over the world, and due to that our living beings are getting survival. So far as the pattern is concerned, then it is of the two types. One of them is longitudinal gradient. See, you have seen the globe of Earth. Right in the middle there is an equator. Then 23.5 degree north is there, 23.5 south. So the region which is there in between 23.5 north and 23.5 south latitude is called tropical region. Then after 23.5 to 66.5 north latitude and 23.5 to 66.5 south latitude, it is a temperate region, and above that is 66.5 to 90 degree north latitude and 66.5 to 90 degree south latitude, it is called polar region. So these are the regions which are according to the availability of sunlight or the sun radiation. So far as diversity is concerned, also in plants and animals, it is not uniform on the earth because the availability of light and heat is not uniform. It varies from the latitude to latitude. It is uneven. So it decreases as we move from equator to the poles. Why? You know that on the equator almost the straight sunlight radiation have been getting, and that is more important for having the survival of plants and animals. So in the region which is called 23.5 north latitude to 23.5 south latitude, the region is called tropical region, and where the availability of light and heat is enough for any animals and plants to get the survival. So tropical, so far as the tropical harbor is concerned, it is more than temperate region and still more than polar region. So in tropical region, the biodiversity is found rich. Then in the temperate region, it is somewhat less, that is so-so, and in the polar region it is scanty. For example, let us give the three cities, three countries which are given here. One of them is Colombia. Colombia is North America, which is near the equator. That is almost throughout the year it is getting sufficient light and heat to have the survival of plants and animals. So approximate 1/4 species of birds are found. Then if we go somewhat in the north, that is in New York, it is in America, in the North America. It is situated there on the 41 degree north latitude. But there is the species of birds only 105. So far as the Greenland is concerned, it is situated on the 71 degree north latitude. So only 56 species of birds are found. So if we go from 0 to the higher latitude, then the plants and animals richness will decrease. So far as India is concerned, we know India is consisted almost from 8 degree north latitude to 37 degree north latitude. So there is a various atmosphere there. So far as India is concerned, the richness of the birds is 1200 because most of all the portion of the nation is considered in tropical region. Equator has 10 times vascular plants than temperate region of USA. You know the USA temperate region is there. The vascular plant, that is those plants which have got the flowing of well body for flowing of the water and minerals. So far as vascular parts are concerned, it is 10 times more on equator than those which are there in the USA temperate region. Tropical Amazon rainforest, the well-known forest of the Amazon, is there in the South America. It is believed that it has got the greatest biodiversity because for the survival of different types of the animals and plants, the atmosphere and the rain and also the weather is much more important. It has, that is in the Amazon rainforest, more than 40,000 species of plants, 3,000 species of fishes, 1300 species of birds, 427 species of mammals, 427 species of amphibians, that is those animals which can live both in water and in land too, 378 reptiles, those animals which can creep. They have to creep because they have got the poor development of their moving organs, and more than 1,25,000 invertebrates. So this is the picture in the Amazon rainforest. The rainforest has got almost 2 million insects to be discovered. So there are so many species which are yet to be discovered, and it is believed that ecologists have believed that approximately 2 million insects can be discovered in the future. The reason for rich biodiversity in tropic region. Now let us have the discussion regarding that. So very first is the speciation. The speciation is a function of time. That is the speciation or the newly formed species will take too much time. That is years, so many years. So the frequent glaciation is there in the temperate region in the past. If we see the history, then it was noted that in the past there was frequent glaciation in the region of, and so the stormy glaciation have destroyed the different types of the speciation of animals and plants there. So evolution rate will be much more low. So the tropical region comparatively undisturbed for the millions of the years. So far as the tropical region is concerned, no, there is no strong glacier storm like glacier storms. So almost the weather and the atmosphere was suitable for the different types of the animals and plants to have evolution. So they had a long evolution time. Tropical environment is less seasonal. So far as the tropical environment is concerned, it has got winter and summer. But in some conditions, in some countries, monsoon season is also there. But they are regular. They are regular, and there is not so much difference in the temperature and the light availability. While comparing to the temperate region, the temperate region has got either atmosphere too much cold or so hot. So as earlier we have studied that light and heat is should be adequate for health development and the progress of the different types of animals, insects and living beings too. Predictable is even though if we see the monsoon season there in the tropical region, then it is predictable that the time period for the different season is almost fixed. So it will promote the niche specialization. So for a niche, that is favorable condition is there. This favorable condition for having the survival of the different types of animals and plants is called niche. So and moreover, one more thing is that solar energy is available throughout the year, yielding high productivity. So far as the productivity is concerned, then we know that plants are the main source for the food for both omnivorous and carnivorous too. So herbivores are the main source for life or food chain. They start there easily. The second one, the second pattern, earlier we have longitudinal gradient is discussed. Now, so far as the second pattern of the biodiversity is concerned, then it is species area relationship. So far as species area relationship is concerned, then the richness against the area is drawn on, and the graphical presentation of area versus richness of the species is drawn here. Alexander Humboldt was naturalist and geographist who had taught that region species richness increases with increasing explored area to up to certain limits only. But see, as earlier we have seen that the area versus richness of the different type of the species is drawn here. Then the relation between area to richness of the species, different type of species, is rectangular hyperbola. See, it is rectangular hyperbola just on log scale to the straight line. Now see, if we see log to log scale, then it is on straight line, but it is somewhat hyperbolic and it can be expressed as is equal to c square. S is equal to c square implies, if we imply the logarithm on both the sides, and log s is equal to log c square, log s is equal to log c, and according to the logarithmic natural logarithmic rules, it is log c plus z log a, where s is equal to species richness, a is equal to area, whether in the square meter, z is equal to slope of the line. You see, z is also called the regression coefficient because it is presenting the slope, and c is equal to y intercept. Now, value of z varies as per the areas. Z equal to 0.1 to 0.2 for any taxonomic group. Regression line is same if any taxonomic group we take, but the regression line which will be same log to log scale. For large area, if the area is large, then the line much steeper. The steepness of the line will be just like this. It will go upward. And the line is called the steeper. And the value of the z is found 0.6 to 1.2. That is, it is increasing. For frugivores, that is herbivores, that is those who live their life by eating the herbs. Omnivores, carnivores, those animals and plants and birds and animals which live their life by having fruits as their food are called the frugivores. For frugivores, birds and animals in the tropical different region in the country, Z is found 1.5.